Welcome to my English listening practice channel. Dear friends, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am really happy that you are here today. If you are listening to this audio, it means you want to improve your English. And let me tell you something very honestly. You are already on the right path. In this listening practice, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will repeat important ideas. So please relax. Take a deep breath. Wear your headphones if possible, and just listen carefully. You do not need to understand every single word. Do not stop the audio again and again. Just listen. Your brain will learn naturally. This is how children learn a language, by listening. Now, let us begin our unique English listening practice. Part 1. A New Morning. Every morning is a new beginning. Every morning gives us a new chance. When the sun rises, it quietly tells us something. It says, "Today is a fresh day." Imagine a small town. The streets are clean. The air is fresh. Birds are singing softly. People are slowly waking up. In this town, there lives a young man. His name is Daniel. Daniel is an ordinary person. He is not very rich. He is not very famous. But he has a strong desire. He wants to improve his life. Every morning, Daniel wakes up early. He does not like waking up early, but he knows it is important. He sits near his window. He drinks a glass of water, and he looks at the sky. Daniel talks to himself. He says, "Today I will do better. Today I will learn something new. Today I will not give up." Friends, do you also talk to yourself? It is a good habit. Positive self-talk gives strength. Daniel is learning English. He knows English is important. He listens to English every day. He listens while walking. He listens while resting. He listens even when he feels tired. At first, English sounded difficult to him. The words felt strange. The pronunciation felt confusing, but he did not stop. Slowly, very slowly, things changed. Part 2. The Power of Listening. Listening is a powerful skill. Most people want to speak first, but very few people listen properly. When you listen carefully, your mind opens. You understand feelings. You understand meaning. You understand the rhythm of language. Daniel understood one thing clearly. If he wanted to speak English well, he had to listen more. So he made a simple rule. Every day, at least 30 minutes of listening. No excuses, no complaints. Some days he felt bored. Some days he felt sleepy. Some days he felt frustrated. But he continued. Friends, learning is not about motivation. Learning is about discipline. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. While listening, Daniel did not use a dictionary. He just listened. He focused on the sound. He focused on the flow. After many days, he noticed something. He could guess meanings. He could understand sentences. He felt more confident. Confidence is not magic. Confidence comes from practice. Part 3. A Walk in the Evening. One evening, Daniel went for a walk. The sun was setting. The sky was orange and pink. The road was calm. He put on his headphones. He started listening to an English story. The voice was calm and clear. As he walked, he felt relaxed. The words entered his mind naturally. He was not translating. He was not thinking too much. Suddenly, he smiled. He understood a full paragraph, without effort, without stress. That moment was special. That moment gave him hope. Friends, small progress matters. Never ignore small success. Small success leads to big success. Daniel reached a small park. Children were playing. Old people were sitting on benches. The world felt peaceful. Daniel sat on a bench. He closed his eyes and he continued listening. Part 4. Mistakes are friends. Many learners fear mistakes. They feel shy. They feel scared. But mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Daniel used to fear speaking English. He thought people would laugh. He thought people would judge him. One day, he decided to change. He spoke English with a shopkeeper. His grammar was not perfect. His pronunciation was not perfect. But something amazing happened. The shopkeeper understood him and smiled. That smile changed Daniel. He realized something important. Communication is more important than perfection. Friends, do not wait to be perfect. Perfect time never comes. Start now. Speak now. Learn now.
Part 5. A Rainy Day Lesson. One day, it started raining heavily. The sky was dark. The streets were wet. Daniel stayed at home. He made a cup of tea. He sat near the window. Raindrops touched the glass. He played an English audio. The sound of rain mixed with the voice. It felt peaceful. While listening, he noticed pronunciation. He noticed stress. He noticed pauses. Listening is not only about words, it is about music. Language has music. Slowly, Daniel started copying the sound. Not loudly, just softly. This is called shadowing. It is a powerful technique. Part 6. You are not late. Many people think they are late. They say, I am too old. They say, I should have started earlier. Daniel also thought this way, but then he realized something. Time will pass anyway. 1 year will pass, 2 years will pass. The question is simple. Do you want to improve or not? Friends, you are not late. You are exactly on time. Part 7. Night Thoughts. At night, Daniel lay on his bed. The room was quiet. Lights were off. He thought about his journey. He remembered his fear. He remembered his effort. He felt proud, not because he was perfect, but because he did not quit. Consistency is the real success. Part 8. Message for you. Dear listener, this story is also your story. You may feel confused sometimes. You may feel tired. You may feel slow. But remember one thing. Every minute of listening matters. Listen daily. Listen calmly. Listen without pressure. Your English will improve, naturally, slowly, beautifully. Part 9. Simple Listening Practice. Now, let us do a simple practice. Just listen. I wake up every morning. I drink a glass of water. I try to stay positive. I learn something new every day. I believe in myself. I believe in hard work. I believe in progress. Repeat in your mind. No speaking is needed.
Part 10. Final words. Thank you for listening patiently. You are doing great. If you like this listening practice, listen again tomorrow. Make English your friend, not your fear. See you again. Keep listening, keep learning, keep growing.